This video will show you how to replace the thermal fan kit in your ThinkPad. The process in this video will work for the ThinkPad P14s Gen 7. You will need a screwdriver kit, static safe tweezers, and 15 minutes of your time. Caution: to avoid damaging your device with electrostatic discharge, work on a hard flat surface. Use an anti-static wrist strap and mat, or discharge static by touching a grounded piece of metal. First, you must disable your built-in battery before removing any parts. Disconnect the power adapter from your computer. Press the power button. Tap the F1 key repeatedly to enter the setup menu. Select the config menu. Select the power menu option. Select the disable built-in battery menu option. Select yes in the confirmation box. The system will shut down and the battery is disabled. Loosen 8 captive screws on the bottom of the system. The captive screws do not come out of the base cover. Do not try to remove them. Starting near the hinges, lift the cover to release the clips and remove the cover from the system. Disconnect the right fan cable from the system board. Loosen 2 captive screws on the fan. Remove the right fan. Disconnect the left fan cable from the system board. Loosen 2 captive screws on the fan. Remove the left fan. Lower the right fan into place in the system. Tighten 2 screws on the fan. Connect the fan cable to the system board. Lower the left fan into place in the system. Tighten 2 screws on the fan. Connect the fan cable to the system board. Place the cover onto the chassis, inserting the edge opposite the hinges first, and press down around the edges to secure the clips. Tighten 8 captive screws. Plug in the power adapter and connect it to your computer to re-enable the built-in battery. You can find links to additional resources such as repair guides and the Lenovo parts store in the video description. For even more resources like user guides and manuals, visit the product page for your device at pcsupport.lenovo.com. For more information on your Lenovo devices, subscribe to Lenovo Support on YouTube.